Good morning, dear students and parents. I, Sayyid Mohammad Faisal, on behalf of Department of Computer Application, take the privilege to welcome you all to Integral University, Lucknow. I am delighted to see you all in this virtual platform and wish to congratulate each one of you for selecting Integral University for higher education. Your arrival at university mark a new chapter in the story of your life, but this chapter is a bit different. The preceding chapters were largely written by your parents, your family members, your teachers, your friends, and many others. Now, you will be the principal author of next chapter. You have the opportunity to determine the direction, the plot, and the tempo of your story. You can seem as daunting as it is exciting, challenging as it is empowering. But the great thing is that you are doing something that you have chosen to do, not something that was chosen for you by others. While you are here at Integral University, you will have the opportunity to learn new things, acquire new knowledge, develop new skill, enhance your personal attribute in a profound way that will equip for life after university. At the same time, you will make new friends who will become your friends for life, with whom you will share memories of university days for many years to come. Now, without taking time, I would like to introduce you all with the esteemed faculty members who will teach you in the current semester. I request all the faculty members to come on dais and introduce themselves.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Mohammad Kalamuddin Ahmad, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Application. I did the last degree from the recognized Government Engineering College, Kamala Nehru Institute of Technology, Sultanpur. My total teaching experience in 19 years. I will teach discrete mathematics in MCA first year and also course coordinator of the same class. So in case of any queries, you can contact me directly. Thank you all.
Very good afternoon to all of the students of MCA and BCA. I am Dr. Sandeep Kumar Naik, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Application. I am welcoming you to all. I completed my PhD from Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, a central university, and I have around 15 years of experience, and I will teach software engineering in the MCA first year. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to all of you. I, Mohammad Halim, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Application since 8 years. In the coming semester, I will be teach you operating system in MCA first year. I am also UG program coordinator. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to all of you. Thanks to Mr. Sayyid Mohammad Faisal sir. I, Tabriz Khan, working assistant professor in the Department of Computer Applications since 15 years. In the coming semester, I will be teach you fundamental of computer and C programming in MCA first year. Thank you all.
Very good afternoon to all of you. I am Arshad Ali, working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Applications since 15 years. In the coming semester, I am going to teach you Unix and Shell programming in MCA first year. Thank you all.
Very good afternoon to all of you. I am Dr. Muhammad Waris Khan. I did my MPhil in Computer Science and PhD in IT from Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University. It's a central university. I have overall 3 years experience in teaching and have expertise in software engineering, computer graphics, and programming languages. In the current session, I will teach programming in C subject in BCA first year. Thank you all of you.
Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, on behalf of Integral University, I welcome you all to this online orientation program. I am Qazi Said Ahmed from Departments of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I am teaching here and working here from 2010. In this semester, I will teach you the subject computer organization, whose subject code is CA402. I am also teach computer fundamentals and programming concept, whose subject code is CA102 for BCA students. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Dr. Syed Wahaj Mohsin. I am working as an associate professor in the Department of Languages. As you all know, English is a local language of a local village. English is a lingua franca. It is a tool for cross-cultural communication. Here at Integral University, we will help you to navigate and traverse the contours of professional communication. I will be teaching you a foundation course entitled Essential Professional Communication. Code is LN104. This course will develop, hone, enhance 4 skills of communication known as LSIW, which stands for listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These skills are important for the holistic development. The other in-depth details will be delivered when your classes commence. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Good afternoon, students. Welcome all of you. I, Dr. Muhammad Asim Khan, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mathematics. I will be teaching you subject mathematics. Thank you.
Thank you all faculty members. Finally, about myself, I will be taking programming in C in BCA first year, and I am having total teaching experience of 4 years in Integral University. Now, I would like to call our department placement coordinator, Dr. Sandeep Kumar Nayak, to introduce you all and address you all about the department placement coordinator, Dr. Sandeep Kumar Nayak. Please welcome.
Again, good afternoon to all of the MC and BCA students. I am Dr. Sandeep Kumar Nayak, holding the responsibility of placement coordinator for the department. And the role of DPC is to give hands, the supporting hands to the MC and the BCA students so that they can achieve their target in their future. Actually, we are not saying that we are providing everything to you all, but it depends on you how much capability you are earning and how much development you are gaining or attaining in the university, and it depends on your surroundings. And we have the very well surroundings in our university premises. You know very well, the great things never comes from the comfort zone. That is why you have to dream bigger and do bigger. And for that purpose, you have to show your courage in the right direction so that you can develop, create your, pursue your dream comes true. Actually, the university provided the centralized facility, the Center for Career Guidance and Development, to facilitate the students of all type of branches, to provide them training and placement facilities through providing pre-preparation for the competitive examinations and many more job-centric and higher education-centric informative content on regular basis. But whatever the facility, whatever the training and placement opportunities we are providing to you, it depends on you how much capability you are developing in yourself during this period. And through this effort, we are providing many platforms to you, like opportunities for developing, for creating your entrepreneurship, for facing the competitive exams, for facing many companies where you can face the different types of problems, and we are providing all type of solution to you. So it depends on you how much capability you are actually having. The career advancement and development facilities, whatever we are providing the hands to you so that we can take your index finger to put yourself on the right pathway so that you can walk through it and achieve your goal. Actually, we are providing a bigger list of companies like TCS, Wipro, SAP India, and many more are there who are the giants on IT industry. But it depends on you how you are getting your opportunities, how you are creating opportunities among the threats. Okay, we are welcoming you in the university and we are here to provide all type of training and placement facility to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Nayak sir. Now I would like to invite our department website coordinator, Ms. Nashra Javed, to brief you about the information available on the department website.
Thank you, Faisal, for your generous introduction. Good afternoon, all of you. My dear students, I'll be briefing you regarding the website that we have. So this is the official website of Integral University. The link is iul.ac.in. I'll be providing you all the links on the WhatsApp group also. So from this homepage, you have to go to the faculty section. Then you have to access the computer application hyperlink. Then you have to click on the Department of Computer Application and you will be redirected to the departmental website page. And here on the home page of departmental website, we have all the information regarding the department, all the news and announcements that are going in the latest. So you can also have an overview of the department from the overview, and you can access the vision, mission, COs, POs of your courses from these links. So basically, the links that you will be most accessing are the people and student. Why people? Because here we have information of all the faculty members and you have their email IDs here listed out so that you can contact them for any query. All the faculties and their expertise, the subjects they have taught are listed over here. Further, we also have supporting staff members listed here and their expertise and the subjects they taught. And you can also contact them by the reference email ID that has been provided here. In the alumni section, you can see the distinguished alumni of our department who are working in reputed companies. You can also see their details and you can search them on LinkedIn, on Facebook for getting the reference. You can also download the alumni magazine, the alumni meet report from here for your reference. Now coming to the most important section, that is the student zone. So when you click on the student, we have student zone over here in which you have all the ordinances of MCA, BCA over here. And you first year student have to refer to only BCA, CBCS audience. The timetable is updated over here. You can see the updated timetable. You can download from here. You can see the syllabus of your particular semester from here. Then the notice regarding BCA or MCA will be posted here. The common notices of the department will be on the home page and all the student related notices will be here in the student zone. Now, if you want to explore more about the department, you can go to the research section and see the information about the research activities that the faculties have done of our department. If you want to see what activities we have currently performed, you can go to these sections and you can see the list of activities that we have conducted in past, and you can see the report of the same. So here we have the achievement section in which we have the student progression that takes the admission from BCA to MCA. We have student achievements that many of our students participate in the annual events and events at state level and national level. You can see it from here for your reference. And in the last, we have the infrastructure section in which we have the configuration of all the labs that are equipped with different technologies and tools. So this is all about our departmental page and website. And for more information, all the links like how you are going to access the captive portal, how you are going to access the student management system, what is the link to for IUSMS app, what is the link for your ILI LMS portal, that is a learning management system, will be posted on the WhatsApp group and also be communicated through the course coordinator on mails. Okay, thank you. That's it from my side. I hope you found it easy to download all the information from the website. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shah. It's a matter of great pleasure to invite our alumni and guest speaker, Mr. Azim Hashmi, Senior Android Developer, to deliver an expert lecture on the future of mobile app development. Welcome, Mr. Azim.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, dear faculty members, parents, and most important, all the newcomers of computer application. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm Azim Hashmi of 2013 MCA batch, currently working at Coir E-Technologies as a team lead in mobile application department. I'm honored to be here today. Thanks to the head of department for giving me this opportunity to share my views and experience with all of you. I was an average student with no specific goals or programming expertise, but during my MCA, I realized that I was not alone. Many of my classmates were also sailing on the same boat, all confused for the future, living in a doubt whether they have chosen the right field or not. But my friends, MCA or BCA are professional courses. They are not only for developers. You can say one can become a tester, a database administrator, network engineer, data scientist, etc. Or of course, a mobile application developer like me. You guys are on those very steps of your life where I was few years ago. Although it's a completely different situation, I can understand that. As we are in the pandemic and every disaster has a lesson for us. If we do not take up these lessons from history, then of course history will repeat itself. So it's important that we understand how information technologies plays a vital role in effectively monitoring and controlling disease outbreaks. As we all must agree that humans simply cannot operate and match the scale and speed of what AI-powered machines can do. Hence, in the current scenario, you can say the most emerging trend is none other than the IT part. That is growing very rapidly. Entrepreneurs around the globe are constantly working on the latest innovations to bridge the gap which has affected our daily life. Some of the Indian innovations which are quite interesting are like Corona Oven, Vista, Lingro Seagull, Dozy. So let's talk about this Corona Oven. What is this? This device is claimed to be sanitizing various surfaces by using UV rays, ultraviolet rays. So talking about Vista, so I mean these are all the products which are created on this duration only, just because to enhance the life, living daily life. So Vista, a unique air purifier using a patent filter technologies like EGAPA. Lingro Seagull cleaning robot plans the path in real time of the area. Actually, this one is my favorite. It used to scan the room area and just to get the whole idea of what is the size and what are the covered area, what is the covered area, and likewise it used to project it on your mobile apps, and it automatically due to its AI, it's automatically decide whatever part it has to cover. So that's good. So again, then Dozy, it's a smart contact-free healthcare tracking mattress. So once you are buying this mattress, you have to just install it below your mattresses, and it will take care of all the daily routines or heartbeat or BP and all those things. It will take care of, and it will notify you previously. So these all are very great. Now coming to the mobile application development industry, it's also continuously evolving. Technology advancement, consumer demands, and a wide range of other factors have a direct impact on app trends. Staying up to date is the only key to sustain.
Some top app level trends are IoT application integration. So in IoT app integration means must have heard of this Alexa devices. Uh, Basically, you can call it as a Jarvis, which you have seen in the Iron Man movie. So I have one Alexa device in my home also, and I used to control it all my household devices with that thing. That particular thing is the unique key for all my household devices. So it's very unique, and we should use it some other day. So next, app for foldable devices. Like if you are coming into the market of mobile application development, so next thing which we guys are facing is we are facing a great variety of Android devices or other devices which are foldable. So what happens when we have designed that app for particular screen size or like that, and if that particular screen size is again folding up, unfolding itself, so the size is increasing, and likewise we have to programmatically set it that how it will look on the large screens when they are again unfolded. So these are the facts. So development of wearable devices, mobile commerce, augmented reality. So these are all those you can say many advancement in this IT factor. AR AR in this it's also used in medical terms, like surgeons are using this AR technologies. I mean not AR specifically, but they are using camera kind of thing, which are we using for. So all these things are very technically good for our future. So coming to the artificial intelligence, yes, it's a great thing again. It contains image recognition, face detection, text and speech classification, statement recognition and classifications, and predictive maintenance. So these are some of our AI. Basically, what AI is, it used to just take the data from the past and predict what will happen in the future. Like if you are playing chess with a computer, it's basically a AI kind of thing, you can say. All the moves are pre-decided. So whatever things you are doing, it's just taking the cross move, you can say. So likewise, the AI is playing a vital role in our day-to-day life. So on demand of mobile apps, you can say in this during this pandemic season, the various kind of apps were launched. One app uh, was known as this Urban Clap app that plays a very vital role. It was containing various kind of services like laundry services, doctors on demand, virtual tutors and coaches. You can find n number of things in that particular app. So that app was very good. Uh, so the mobile technology is constantly changing, and if you are building apps for today using outdated information, you won't be able to stay competitive. In my personal experience, we were creating an app. It was based basically on. I got inspired by a game you must have heard of. That is PUBG. In that PUBG game, that when some people, you are playing that game with your friends, along with your friends. So when your friend used to die or you used to die, you can watch other friends. I mean your friends to play the match, and you can help them by speaking to them directly. So likewise, as a youngster, I know that you guys must be missing that you can't watch movies in theaters. So this generally bring the idea of creating an app which can bind of you guys, bind my friends together, and we can also chat in between, or we can have a voice communication with each other, and we can watch a particular video all together. Right now, we are just browsing. We are this showing all on the only contents of YouTube, but in the near future, we are tying up with the Amazon Prime and Netflix also, so that we can all sit together, and first a person have to invite your friends, and those friends will come up and become you will join the viewers list. So it's a basic story. I don't want to go very deep in that. So basically, the idea was to enjoy a video with all your friends, with connecting with audios. It was a good one. So if you want to make a career in the field of mobile application development, then first you should decide whether you want to become an iOS developer, Android developer, or a hybrid app developer. Hybrid apps are the future, where you have to write code once and it will be deployed as an Android or iOS, giving us the advantage of creating and maintaining the code in a very short span of time. For hybrid apps, you can go for frameworks like Flutter, React Native, or Angular. But for Android, you have to go for programming languages like Java or Kotlin. I will recommend Kotlin because it's latest and having many advantages over Java. So for iOS, Apple has launched their own programming language that is Swift. So my advice to you is to explore the possibility of IT along with your graduation. Um, Actually, that is very much important because if you are not doing that, then it's very difficult for you to get a job after your this completion of the duration. So that's it. Uh, uh, Enough on the technology part. Let me tell you something about Integral University. Life on campus is vibrant, and there are many activities you can be part of. And I do wish that each one of you will find your part in some of them. But I don't want you to be just gathering information from here. I want you to learn characters, discipline, compassion, and above all, understand the meaning of life. Activities should not become distractions on the same time. So you should never measure on minor things. What is important should never be marginalized. Therefore, keeping your goals in front of you always. Each day measures the step you have taken towards your goal. Then you will find success. With this, I would like to conclude. Wishing you luck, work hard, and live your dreams. Have fun. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Azim, for sharing knowledge with us. Finally, there will be a virtual tour of our department, its achievement in various student activities. Before closing today's session, I would like to inform you that your classes will start from tomorrow on ILI portal. Another thing is that, and that's very important for you, that your ILI portal will be accessible via IUL official IUL ID only. Okay. So thank you for being with us. Goodbye and have a nice day.